Kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. But anyway, I want to give you some tips and idea about your Christmas chicken. You know what I mean? Most Jamaican when on Christmas they normally do a roast chicken, roast beef, roast turkey, roast stew chicken, curry, all heap of stuff normally Jamaican normally do on Christmas. But basically today I brought a big chicken, massive chicken, big size chicken, as you can see, almost big like a turkey. You know what I mean? And I want to simply say to you guys, this Christmas, there's a lot of stuff where you can also do for Christmas. I have a little bit of water, I got some spring onion, I have some seasoning right here. I got some garlic, I got some spring onion and some fresh thyme. A little bit of butter and also some olive oil for your chicken. Put all of this with your chicken and make sure you always rub butter upon your outside of your chicken to give it that lovely crispy color, that lovely goldish color, the color we are looking for Christmas. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you with some spring onion and some white onion and some fresh garlic to get it into the chicken, just to make the chicken have that flavor and that taste for this Christmas season. Guys, I know a lot of people have been preparing for Christmas, preparing their meat, preparing their turkey, a lot of stuff, fried fish, escabille fish, you name it, brown stew chicken, curry chicken, stew chicken, curry goat, lamb, and even pot roast beef and all these things. So guys, I don't know what you think about my idea for Christmas, but it's just a little Christmas tips for your roast chicken. Basically, make sure you got your spring onion and your fresh thyme. We already know that we don't use salt in our cooking. Coming in January, we are also gonna stop salt for cooking. Enjoy it, guys, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you. Please leave your comment, subscribe to the channel, and if you need any more idea and information, please write it below for Christmas. Thank you so much, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time, and thank you so much, and hopefully this will be a benefit. See you next time.